In this lesson, we will discuss introducing Windows. Introducing Windows 7, 8 and 10. These are the versions of the Windows, and the latest version is 10, Windows 10. The operating system is a software that manages and coordinates activities on a computer and helps the computer perform essential tasks such as displaying information on the screen and saving data on disks. Microsoft Windows 7 or 8 or 10 are operating systems. In short, we say Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10. So these are the operating systems. Windows is the name of the operating system, while 7, 8 or 10 is called the version which we use. So there are two types of software. Computer can run two types of software. One is the system software, while other is the application software. So here I will explain you the difference between the system software and the application software. System software is the software that runs a computer, including the operating systems, for example, Windows, Unix, Mac operating system, etc. While application software is the software used mostly to perform tasks such as writing a screenplay or viewing a web page, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, etc. In general, you can say that computer runs system software to perform computer tasks and we run the applications to carry out our work or personal tasks. So this is the difference between system software and application software. Computer run the system software. Without the system software, you cannot perform any function on your computers. While the application software, we run the application software to perform our tasks. Windows with touch screen devices. If you are using a computer with a touch screen, such as tablet or your cell phone or your computer, you use your fingertips to interact with on-screen objects. The movements you make as you touch the screen with your fingertips are called the gestures. So this is the important thing. When you move your fingertip to touch the screen or touch the different icons is called the gestures. So here we will discuss 6 basic gestures. First one is the tap. Touch an item with a fingertip. When you touch the icon or any item on your cell phone or tablet or computer with your fingertip, it is called the tap. Then press, touch and hold an item. Swipe, drag a fingertip across the screen and then release. Slide or drag a fingertip across the screen without releasing. Pinch, touch the screen with 2 fingers and then drag your fingertips toward each other to zoom out or drag your fingertips away from each other to zoom in. And the last one is rotate. Touch the screen with 2 fingers and then drag either clockwise or counterclockwise. These are called the gestures, and we have discussed 6 basic gestures in this lesson as well as operating system. So I hope this is the very basic of the computer. I hope everything is clear, and thank you so much.